Hi guys, hope you had a fantastic week. Today I am going to cook a spicy tomato chutney from Tripura called Mosdeng Serma. The recipe is amazing and made with fermented dry fish called Berna in Tripuri. The chutney is easy to prepare, flavorful and delicious. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Berna or fermented dry fish. Ensure that you rinse it thoroughly before using. Finely chopped tomatoes. Finely chopped onions. Oil. Dried red chilies. Finely chopped garlic cloves, salt and finely chopped coriander. Now let's start cooking. First of all, soak the dried red chilies in hot water for 10 minutes. Then pound it in a grinder into a fine paste. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your chopped onions and fry it until light brown. Then add your Berna. Stir and cook it for a minute on a medium flame. Add the finely chopped garlic and saute it for a couple of minutes. The red chili paste and mix it well. Saute this until it starts getting completely dry and starts sticking to your pan. Now add your chopped tomatoes and salt. Stir it well and cook it until the tomatoes melt. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Take the chutney off the pan, then garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. The chutney came out to be super spicy and look how beautiful the color is. The tomatoes made it sweet and tangy while the flavor from the fermented fish makes you go slurp. And now it's time for me to dig in. But before that, don't forget to like and share. And see you guys next week.